Good afternoon, this is Emma. Today's video is gonna be on a refresh of my balcony deck. And this is gonna be a fall refresh. I went in, added some pillows and a few pumpkins here and there. So come along with me as I show you my fall refresh for my balcony deck. And as you can see here, this is my day bed. If you looked before, I had all four pieces together. Here I have removed one piece and decided to put it separate. My Hello Fall pillows are from Walmart. The Rest and Relax are from Home Goods. I've also decorated my privacy screens. It says Happy Harvest. And this one says Autumn Welcome. These are from the Dollar Tree. Now, here is how I separated that other part of my day bed. I just put it in the corner, added a few pillows, and made it separate. Here inside the lantern, I have added a couple of pumpkins and a couple of pumpkins on the table. Hope I've given you some ideas on your balcony for the fall. If you would, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.